Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are mixed with the corn price up, beans and wheat a little bit lower. Outside markets are mostly higher. Last week we saw some sell-off in the grain markets because of good U.S. Midwest weather and concern that the virus spread will continue to slow demand for raw materials. There was hope that by the fourth quarter that we would see an increase in demand. And in fact, fourth quarter exports of corn and soybeans could be close to record high. And there was a story out overnight that China will continue to buy imported ag goods for their increasing livestock numbers. So that could include more beans and it could include more corn. But we don't know that for sure. And it looks like the U.S. corn yield might be over 180. And the bean yield might be over 52, and that will add to the supplies even if the demand does improve from here. We think that weekly crop ratings will show a 1% gain. Again, most of the Midwest enjoyed favorable weather. It continues to be dry in Iowa, parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, southwest Minnesota. There was some rains in southern Minnesota overnight in northern Iowa. So we have to kind of watch that area pretty closely and see if we're seeing a yield drop from what could have been record yield, especially in South Dakota. And continue to see spread of the virus, which could impact restaurant demand, and it could begin to shut down things despite hope that we would be getting past this virus. Positive news as far as a vaccine is concerned, but it's still a little ways away from actually being administered to humans. So we'll be looking at the possibility of D's corn trading below $3 by the fall. Soybeans, November maybe below $8. And for wheat, we traded below $5 on Friday in Chicago. And I think the market is going to continue to pull back. Some people think that we could make a seasonal low sometime in the next 30 days near the 470 or 480 area on the nearby Chicago futures. A note, we've had some vandalism and violence in downtown Chicago overnight. We have instructed the ADM staff to stay at home, but service will be exactly the same as always for you, and make sure that if you can, enter your orders electronically. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, changing tomorrow starts today.